Hey guys, so I'm just making a little video here just to compare the stock E92 M3 shifter setup with the Autosolutions short shifter kit. So specifically with the short shifter kit, all I really got done from Ronald is I got the stock heights and a 26% reduction for the gears. And right now for the stock setup, all I really got done is the F10 M5 shift knob and boots. This is the one that illuminates, of course, as you can see. And we'll just run through the gears for the stock setup. So that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and that's reverse. And as you can see, there is a little bit of play in each gear. And the Autosolutions kit pretty much gets rid of all the slop and play and gets rid of the notchy shifting that these cars are known for. So this is with the Autosolutions shifter installed. Once again, it is the stock heights and the 26% reduction. So we'll just run through the gears. So that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. Honestly, it feels amazing. It just feels so much more precise, so mechanical. It just feels like a rifle bolt, to be honest, like everyone says. And the throws are amazing now. The first to second is just so easy now compared to before. It's an amazing shifter.